Hey there, Tech24 fam. Today, we're taking a look at the YOLOx luxury prefabricated mini houses. These fast-build 20Ft 40Ft prefabricated portable homes are the ultimate in luxury and convenience. The internal flooring features a 20mm calcium silicate board, an anti-corrosive multi-layer bamboo wood composite board, providing a durable and beautiful finish. The walls are constructed with fire-resistant and flame-retardant 75mm EP sandwich panel, ensuring safety and security for you and your loved ones. But that's not all. The doors and windows are crafted using aluminum alloy materials and double-layer insulated glass, offering top-notch thermal and sound insulation, as well as heightened security. Plus, the installation of plumbing and electrical systems is taken care of, ensuring compliance with your country's electrical safety standards. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and secure living space that's also portable and easy to build, the YOLOx luxury prefabricated mini houses are the perfect choice for you. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your living situation with these amazing mini houses. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching.